Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Claude to cite sources properly and avoid plagiarism when generating content. If you've ever used Claude for research, article writing, reports, or academic work, you've probably wondered where the information comes from. While Claude can generate accurate and useful content, it doesn't automatically provide citations unless you specifically ask for them. Without proper citations, you may end up with content that's difficult to verify or unsuitable for professional or academic use. The first thing you should do is clearly instruct Claude to cite its sources. Instead of simply asking, "Write an article about renewable energy," try using a more specific prompt, such as, "Write an article about renewable energy and provide citations for all factual claims. Include links to the original sources where possible." Being explicit about your citation requirements significantly increases the chances that Claude will include references throughout its response. Another useful technique is to tell Claude exactly which citation style you want. For example, you can request APA, MLA, Chicago, or simple inline citations. A prompt like, "Summarize this topic using APA-style citations and include a reference list at the end," gives Claude a clear formatting standard to follow. When working on research-heavy topics, ask Claude to distinguish between facts and its own analysis. For example, separate verified facts from opinions and cite the source of every factual statement. This makes it easier to identify information that should be independently verified. To reduce the risk of plagiarism, ask Claude to paraphrase information rather than closely imitate source material. A good prompt is, "Use information from reliable sources, but rewrite everything in original wording. Do not copy sentences directly from any source." This encourages Claude to produce unique content rather than text that resembles source material too closely. It's also a good idea to require source verification. You can tell Claude, "Only include information if a source can be identified. If you're uncertain about a fact, clearly state that it needs verification." This helps reduce hallucinations and unsupported claims. For academic or professional work, consider using a prompt that combines all of these instructions. Research this topic, provide citations for all factual claims, paraphrase information in original wording, include a reference list, and clearly identify any information that cannot be verified. Even with these instructions, you should always verify important citations yourself. AI tools can occasionally generate incorrect or incomplete references. Checking the original sources ensures accuracy and protects the credibility of your work. A final tip is to ask Claude to show its sources before generating the full document. For example, list the sources you plan to use first, then write the article using those sources. This gives you an opportunity to review the references before Claude begins writing. By clearly requesting citations, specifying a citation format, requiring original wording, and verifying sources, you can make Claude much more reliable for research and significantly reduce the risk of plagiarism. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.